Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. We're heading towards Roxall. It'll take us about a week to get there. It's about 30 hours riding. It might take us a bit less. This is my hotel, the on-site. She wasn't parked out here the whole time. They've got covered protected parking up there with security guards. So yeah, I had a pretty good time here. These are the guys that looked after me while I was gone. And thank you very much. And away we go, guys. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning because I ordered my breakfast at 8 o'clock. I didn't get it till like 9:15. And I wanted to get away before the traffic, but this is India, guys. They don't really get started till at least 10 o'clock in the morning. So when I arrived here, this was bumper to bumper. At least I'm going to get out of here a bit easily. I hope so anyway. Oh guys, India. And here especially, this is a big, for those that have come from Europe, never been to India before, this is a big sort of christening into India, because the roads here, as you just saw, are so skinny. This is kind of a main road we're getting onto now. It's not so bad, but yeah, the traffic here is just atrocious. And guys, I'm going to turn the camera off, concentrate on what I'm doing. See you on the road. Sign. I'm not going to stop, I've got a lot of miles to do, but this is the Freedom Struggle Memorial, and now I've just looked, the gates are shut anyway, so it's not even open. But yeah, it must be from the Freedom from England Struggle Memorial. Quite impressive. I thought at first it was an observatory, like a telescope thing, but well guys, I was riding along, I thought this was just another merchant with all his stuff on, but this guy's actually riding to every state in India and he's promoting saving trees and saving water. And you can see how he's doing this, guys. He's doing it pretty hard. But yeah, I wanted to pull over, say hello, and say well done, my friend.
Name Kundan Singh.
Kundan Singh?
Yes.
Okay, my friend. Good luck. So big ass hotel there. Right here. Empty. Not a single person. I said, no guys, I'll give you this. That's fairer. I said, no. I said, so you'd rather have an empty hotel? Oh, and back in India, soda water everywhere you go. So I'm just having a little bit of a break. Oh, lovely day, guys. It's hot when you stop, but when you're riding along, hello!
Hello! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! When you're riding along, lovely cool day.
Bias.
Okay. Yeah, it's lovely cool when you're riding. Perfect weather. Better than when I left India, that's for sure. It was so hot. Sorry, I've got to put these on. It's really bright this morning. We're all loaded up, ready to go. Yeah, we had a alright sleep last night. I'm not even going to show you this hotel because it's not that good. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't that good either. Yeah, we'll get a few more miles up. We've got about 23 hours, Google Maps hours, to Roxall where we cross the border. So we'll just keep heading in that direction until we get there. Here we go, guys. Another day in the India traffic. Driving a bit mad. Well, got about an hour and a half done Google Maps time, so we're getting closer and closer. There she is up there, just waiting. I already had breakfast at my hotel, so I've just stopped for a cup of chai. Oh, and then we'll get a bit further up the road. We'll get, I shouldn't be exhausted because I had a good sleep, but what's this person doing? Oh, that's alright. I just worry people are going to touch her because I've only got her on the side stand, and a couple of people have knocked her over in this last year while they're trying to get photos on her and things. The last one, the guy at the border when I crossed from India to Pakistan, he got on her and knocked her over. I'm surprised he didn't break his leg. But my dash, my electronic dash hasn't worked since. Yeah, so Google Maps has taken me a bit off-road again. Been on the highway for the last 2 days. We must be going from one highway to another. Just gonna stop. Make sure the GPS is set to the right place. I haven't stuffed up somewhere along the way. I'll get back to you in a minute. To the right place. Google Maps is. She's usually pretty good, so I'll trust her. Well guys, I might be here for a while. Nothing seems to be moving. Oh no, trucks up there are moving. Are they? Yes. Yes. Let's see how we go here. Hang on guys, I'm going to turn this off so I can concentrate. Well guys, this stupidity comes out in people in situations like this. Just selfish stupidity, but can't be helped. And you can see here guys, I've got a nice big long red section in Google Maps. I'm in no hurry. Well, luckily I'm in no hurry. I've just fueled up. What's the reason there guys? It's probably the same up here a bit further because there's still traffic jam up here. But there's police there guiding traffic. And if everyone actually listened to the police, we'd get a nice even run. But people keep trying to fucking push through and do their own thing. Well, this bloke here, I know he's turning right. I forgive you mate, sorry. Guys, I can't believe it. Maybe an hour and a half, maybe a bit less, but that was a very, very stressful crossing of that village. And we're about an hour and a half later. Stopped for a nice cold soda water again, as usual. Yes, that's a good part of India, being able to get soda water everywhere I want. Oh, bit wrecked guys. It's very, very stressful. It's a lot different than riding in Pakistan. But I'll be in Nepal in a few days, well, within the week. And then Malaysia, I'm really looking forward to getting to Southeast Asia guys. Nice relaxed people. Beautiful food. I'm excited. Well guys, in a few months I'll be riding through Jakarta, so I'm going to try and avoid it to be honest, but it's supposed to be the worst traffic in the world, I believe. I shouldn't complain too much about this, but today has been a very, very stressful hotel. All I wanted to know where the office was, and it's a 5-minute long answer that doesn't tell you anything, so I'm going somewhere else. Well guys, I found a room at last. It's been a long day, I can tell you. I don't know when the last time someone stayed here was, I don't know, but it's place is full of monkeys. And they've kind of taken over, and I thought, oh well, they must be used to people if they're living at a hotel. But this kid helped me carry my bags up the thing. He's terrified of them, so I don't think they are very friendly, and they are the nasty ones. The ones that bite you all over the world, so I'm going to have to be a little bit careful. Oh guys, that was a long day, it really was. Maybe 7.5 hours in the saddle. And I'm just going to find something to eat, some soda water maybe. Oh, we've got some months to go home with, that's for sure. For now, I just want something to eat. Well guys, it's about 7:30, my first early start this trip, but damn, this place would have been really beautiful in its time. It reminds me, I was saying to Janet, it kind of reminds me of where we stayed in Pereira, when we stayed with all her family in Colombia. So I had a good sleep. girl was going to make me a cup of tea. I don't know what's happening. I think I might just head up the road, get some breakfast and a cup of tea up the road somewhere. Nice early start. Hopefully we'll beat the traffic for a few hours at least. I'm hungry. Let's buy something to eat. Well guys, this is the traffic at 8:30 in the morning. Can't imagine what it's going to be like at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And we stopped for breakfast here. Gonna have paratha, chai. They'll give me some sort of gravy to go with that, some sort of curry. Oh, I'm hungry guys, very, very hungry. And it's a nice morning, but this smokiness, I don't know if the GoPro's showing it, but I'm not sure if this smokiness is from cooking fires or if I'm riding into a bushfire. Anyway, nice morning for a ride. Traffic was atrocious to start with, but now I'm on this highway, it's all right. So guys, paratha and homemade butter. It's just delicious, really. One of the best parathas I've had in India, I think. Always a good way to start the morning. Yummy breakfast. Really yummy. That butter, never tasted anything like it. Flavour all on its own. Let's get some miles up, guys. 2 hours soar up, that's for sure. 9 minutes to fuel up, so I'll have a bit of a break then. Oh, got the 2 hour saw butt. Stopped for a cup of chai, and then we'll get some more miles up. We've done around a bit over 2.5 Google Maps hours already, so it's been a pretty good morning. We're making very good time. I'm going to try and have an early knock off today, get some laundry done. I'm running out of clean clothes. We'll see how the day goes. Oh, they never seem to end up how I plan. Hey guys, this is Ashish and Shika. They're doing it on this tiny little thing, but they're scooting along about the same speed as I am. It took me a bit to catch them. I saw them up ahead of me. So yeah guys, where are you heading?
Welcome to India.
Oh, thank you very much, thank you. Where are you going today?
Bareilly.
Bareilly, oh yeah. I'm not sure where I'm going to go. I think I'll have a short one
Approximate
today.
20 kilometers.
20? Oh, okay. Nearly there.
Point.
Okay. Well guys, one thing India's got over Pakistan is most banks work here, where Pakistan most don't. It's a bit of a relief when that money comes out first pop. Well, dinner at that hotel was so expensive. In fact, they wanted like $3 for a bottle of soda water, which is 20 cents on the streets or 40 cents on the streets. So I came out, I've been eating a bit of street food, and I'm glad I did, because I just had one of his potato things with the chickpea stew that I love. Best one I've ever had, guys. And he squishes the potato cake, puts a bit of salt, then he puts chickpeas on top and actually cooks them together. Usually they just pop them in a bowl, and then he puts all these herbs and spices. It's just delicious, guys. Really, really good. And this is the finished product, guys. So good. So much different flavours. Just amazing. Well guys, that was a really disappointing hotel. The Mayor Resort, Hotel and Resort, don't stay there guys, just terrible. Breakfast was a disgrace. But anyway, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that Mad Dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.